Hi everybody and welcome to the Core 4 Weather Team 1 o'clock report. This is Bill reporting from Clearwater Harbor where the wind is really starting to pick up. We've got 38 mile an hour winds here sustained with gusts up to 47.3. Behind me you'll see the Clearwater Harbor in Indian Rocks Beach. It's come up 23.5 inches since our 11 o'clock report, and I've got to say, even though it's rising fast, the beauty is it started at such a low point, because you'll remember the low tide was at 9:30 and the rotation of the storm was counterclockwise, which sucked the water out of the harbor, avoiding a torrentially catastrophic storm surge here, which would put out the first or second floors of most homes here, where we're just 7.5 feet above sea level. Updates from Pinellas County. The Bel Air Causeway Bridge is actually open now if you have a return permit card. Now, we have to urge you to use safety on this. We're in the middle of a Cat 5 storm that's just landed 61 miles south of here, and at this point, what you need to do is stay in place and shelter in place. The local shelters are closed. You cannot go there anymore. So we advise you strongly from the entire storm team to stay in place. Power outages. We've got 12,800 people without power here in Pinellas County. That number is sure to grow. We have full power here in Indian Rocks, looking good, and we've got our backup generator in case something goes bad. But we had a report from our man on the streets, Joe Balk in Bel Air, saying that he and 4,000 others were without power in Bel Air, which is interesting because that's the highest point in the land. They were down for 4 hours, but you've got to realize it's a 1934 power structure with above ground lines. All it takes is one tree to knock over a line. So that's it here from Clearwater Harbor. Let's go to Tom now down on 20th at the, actually on the Gulf. Tom?
Hey, thanks, Bill. Like Bill was saying, I'm over here live from the Core 4 News Weather Team. We're at 20th and Gulf Beach, Indian Rocks Beach, and as you can see, it's getting nuts out here. The conditions are deteriorating rapidly. Also just in is that the Waffle House on Overton Bird has shut down. So thank God it's not Christmas time. Here's to you, Amy in St. Pete.
Thanks, Tom. It looks like things are rapidly going downhill. The winds here are creeping up like my underwear on a hot day. We are physically prepared. We're getting mentally prepared. But we'll see you at 3 o'clock for another update.